This is a 10 out of 10. I haven't had jerk chicken like this in a while. Cow head, some brown stew cow head, with some fried chicken. You know? You don't get this every day. This is not an everyday thing.
A vegan lifestyle, money stack in a pile. Cook food, make moves, yeah, me born for style. Girl, a bubble for the king, them love me profile. Every day I'm money and fun, me a live versatile.
Yes, people. Yes, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. So today, we're back at it again. We're in Hanover at Beer Niamin's restaurant. Yeah, man, at that code. Yeah, so, I don't know if they've had this before, but I just discovered this. They're jerk chicken. They also make jerk pork, but they didn't have any jerk pork tonight, so I ordered a jerk chicken, guys. Let me tell you, this is everything. This is good. Yeah, man, the flavor on this, guys, is like to die for. It's like so flavorful. It's not too spicy. It's just perfect, just right. You know, the texture, the crust, and everything. This is packed with a bunch of flavor, guys. Look at this. And this is the breast right here, guys. This is the chicken breast. Wow. I'm pretty sure you're hearing the dogs in the background, right? And check this out, guys. I also ordered some cow head, some brown stew cow head with some fried chicken. You know? You don't get this every day. This is not an everyday thing. This is different. You know, this is very unique, guys. And I'm excited to try it. And me I tell you, me already know it got taste good because I've had their fried chicken before, but the cow head, me never tried the cow head before, but me already know it got taste good. So, yeah, man, stick around. Yes, people, so this is the cow head right here. The cow head, guys, is a little bit gooey, gummy, but the flavor is beef. It's a beefy flavor, but it's good. Yeah, man. They made it a little bit, let's see now, a little bit spicy, not too spicy, a little bit sweet. Yeah, man. This is similar to stewed beef, guys. This is like perfect. Well, if you've never had stewed beef before, check out this cow head, you know, thing right. That's what the recipe. Check it out. The cow head box food, people. Trust me, it's to die for. You're not gonna regret this. And not to mention the fried chicken. Me I tell you, I've had the fried chicken the last time, and me I tell you. And tonight, guys, the fried chicken is still a 10 out of 10. The fried chicken nice. Wow. But surprisingly, the cow head, the brown stew cow head, guys, is like the best thing right now. The best thing in my lunch box right now. The best thing in my box. See there? Between the rice and peas, the fried chicken, you know, the shredded cabbage and carrot and the rice, everything. This is the best thing right now. I tell you, this flavor is unique. What's that? Oh. Wow. And if you're not like into food that's gooey or gummy, I wouldn't recommend you trying this, but besides that, this is good. Yeah, man. Guys, this is definitely a hit. This is a 10 out of 10. I haven't had jerk chicken like this in a while. Usually, if you're living in the state of Florida, guys, you know, Florida is like you're in Jamaica, right? It's a melting pot. South Florida, to be exact. You have a lot of Caribbean folks, a lot of Jamaicans, you know, people from all over the Caribbean, and you're always gonna try different variation of jerk chicken, guys. And let me tell you, this jerk chicken right here is good. And I've had jerk chicken in different spots, different restaurants here in Jamaica, in Western Jamaica, Hanover to be exact, Westmoreland, you know? But this is like one of the best jerk chickens I've had in a minute. Not the best jerk chicken I've had in my life, but this, in recent years, this is one of the best jerk chickens. I'm not even gonna lie. Because like recently now guys, you go to the side of the road, side of the street, and the jerk man them not going with nothing. But this is to die for. Beer Niamins, big up on yourself. Is me I say, them located in a Copperwood, Hanover, Lucy. Yeah man, if you know the area, check them out, you won't be disappointed. Until next time, big up on yourself. Is me I say.